Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you that how you can create your QR code for your Instagram account. For that purpose what you need to do is to just log in your Instagram account and then you have to click on this profile button. When you click on this profile button, you will see another interface in front of you and then you have to click on this setting option. When you click on this setting option, another dialog box open in front of you and you have to click on this QR code option. When you will click on QR code option, a new window will be open. Here you can select the color of your QR code. Let's suppose I am going to select this one and then you have to click on the download QR code. When you click on download QR code option, your QR code will be downloaded in your download section and I am going to open it for you. Here you will see that your QR code has been downloaded successfully. For more such kind of video, please subscribe my YouTube channel.